Bumpy turtle. Barbie in the vet help all the pets. Barbie brings Ken's dog to the scale.
Scale, honey. Scale. It's what you measure people's weight with, or pets' weight with. Lacey.
House. The kittens are next. Where
Did
they go? Teresa, I know her. That's Barbie's sister, I think. Looks up, Barbie looks down. They find the house. Lacey found two. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 kittens. Barbie,
Pats. Nicky's.
6 kittens.
Sick cat.
The cat.
What?
Pet is next. A pony.